Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I am sharing with you a project that I am working on for my aunt. My aunt wants me to make her a miniature setting, and for that I am using wood, marble, brass decorative paper that I bought at Michael's. This pad has 48 sheets, and I've chosen that marble one and another stripe one, which is this one that you see there. I've chosen those for my project. Before I show you the project, I want to show you a few pages here. So there's this specific page that I love. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? This pad was $10 and it was worth it, because the amount of pages in here and the quality of the paper is amazing. So I have this pattern here. I can make doors, windows, frames, borders. I can use it for flooring and walls. There is just so much that I can make just from that page alone. And then there's another page here, very interesting. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And the striped one. So yes, I used that marble one for this project. It's still in the making, as you can see, because I have to stick the paper to the cardboard. But this is the entrance here. And as I'm looking at it, I'm getting ideas. I think I'm going to make a coffee shop before I make her the project, because it's a beautiful box. It says coffee. It's a nice sturdy box, and I already have the structure up. So I am going to be adding some knobs to the entrance. And as you can see, the sides, I used that marble paper for the sides. And then I'm going to make some type of hole here so that I can insert a light to come out through the bottom there, through the ceiling. And then I have the inside walls from that decorative paper. Isn't that beautiful? Then as the flooring, I got myself some thick foam, and I placed 2 cardboards on each side, and I wrapped it up with this beautiful pale colored paper. It's light blue and it has a little bit of brown in it. So she can either use it like that or flip it, because I made it reversible. On the other side, it has a certificate with gold borders, and it's gray. So gray and gold goes with this project. So she can either use it like that, or when she gets tired of one side, she can play around with it and flip it. It's reversible. So it's like she has 2 floors for this. So like I said, before I make her permanent setting, I am going to use this as a coffee shop. And I will be coming back with that video for you. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your time.